Hello friends, welcome to the video number 21 for the Visual Basic for Applications in Excel video tutorial series. And well, in this video we're going to talk about how to use the for next loop, which is a little bit different than the for each next. And well, basically the difference is, for example, here we can tell the step. I mean, if we don't want to make cycles, for example, in this case, going 1, 2, 3, we can actually define a step. So we will go 1, 3, 5, and so on. So here for now, well, as you can see, it's a little bit different. I have my for and then a variable, which is my counter. And I'm telling it for counter equals 1, 2, 10. I have commented this part, so I'm gonna just do this. For counter equals 1 to 10, then my sum, which is another variable I have right here as an integer, then the sum is gonna be equal to whatever it is right now, plus the value of the counter. And then we have the next. Also, I have this part commented here, so I'm not gonna use it right now. And then I just have, this is something new, we have not seen this in the previous videos. This is a message box, and I'm just going to display the value of the variable sum in this message box. So we're gonna see it right now how it is. So let's just run this small program. And well, this is my message box, and it's telling me, okay, 55, which is the result of the sum. So now what we can do here is, for example, we can say, okay, now I don't want to do, again, this was 55, okay? So I don't want to do it one by one. I want to use a step of 2. So let's see how it goes. Now it's going to be 25. Now it is a good use, a good practice to say, instead of just saying next, to actually say next what? Well, the next counter, which is my variable. So it's considered to be a good practice just to write it like this. For counter equals, well, actually, let's do another thing. We can reference these variables, the start and the finish, to the value on a certain cell in my worksheet. So here in the loop, I can say from counter equals start to finish, and then give it a step if we need. We can also be defining this step from a cell value if we want to. And well, I have defined this again, start as 1, finish as 10. So let's see, it should be the same result. And well, there it is, 25. And well, another thing we can do, you can see here I have defined this variable message as a string. So I can use this variable to display a little bit longer message, a more expressive, let's say, message. In this case, let's run it again. So I get my previous very simple dialog message box. And then the second one is going to show result. The sum is 25, and then OK. So well, just for you to see, let's say I'm going to write here the message box, open the parentheses, and then you can see the structure that is going to take. You have the prompt. In this case is between quotes, I put the sum is, I included this space, and then I'm putting this ampersand right here, and then my variable sum. This ampersand right here, what it does is an operation that is called concatenation, which is basically joining two different pieces of text. In this case, is displaying my text and displaying or joining and displaying the value stored in my variable sum. Then I put a comma, and then I'm gonna go to the next one, which is the buttons. For example, I can do this, and here you can see all the available buttons that we have. I am using, for example, right now the VB OK only. We can use the OK and cancel. This is the OK only, the question, retry, yes or no, yes, no, and cancel. And well, the third one is the title, which I am setting it here as a result. So again, we have the prompt, then the type of button that I want to display, and the title. So here is the prompt is all in this sentence. The sum is 25. Then the bottom that I want to use, and the title of the message box. So it's a new different way of displaying information to the user. Up to now we have been only displaying things in the cells, but well now you know a new different way again to display information to your user or to yourself. And well, what else? Well, I think that's basically it for this tutorial. The most important part for this one again was the for next loop, how to use this loop, which is again a little bit different than the for each next. And well, as a bonus you get this how to use this message or display this message box for yourself or for your users. And well, as always, I hope that you find this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video. And well, thanks all of you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.